One more. Super. From India, let's go back. Kamal is getting hot, huh? Check it out. Yeah. Okay, bring it along. We're gonna pride. Everybody clap your hands for the big one. Super cool. Thank you. Oh. Clap your hands. Number 6 is the right answer. That's right. All right. The big boy. Come join me. Mix. Good job. Bring one here. MashaAllah. One here, one. Okay, I'll help you, Marwan. There you go. One there. Okay, take back the seat, Marwan. Let's see if the bird can find the magic ball. Let's go. Where is it? He found it. We call these birds the magician, the golden blue macaw. There are 16 species of macaw living around the world. Thank you, madam. Owen with China. Here we are. Andre, the giant. Now, how do you take a picture with the largest eagle in the world? You gotta wear a gloves, mommy, daddy. You come closer to him. He is the only one eagle right now in Dubai. He will jump on your hand to take a picture just like this. Yes, he's known to be one of the largest eagles around the world, bringing joy. He's so fantastic. He is so amazing. The eagle you're watching right now looks so big, but right now the size looks big. It's not yet big. You are watching a small little baby eagle. It's a baby till now. It's gonna grow 2 times wider, 1 time higher. Let's clap your hands, everybody, for him. The largest sea eagle in the world, Andre the giant. MashaAllah, look at the baby. It's time to feed the birds. How do you feed the bird? You put sunflower seeds. MashaAllah, you spread it out. Look, subhanallah. The way you feed, you get more blessings. If you want to feed the bird, children, parents, everybody, you just take a food basket. Stronger. Fantastic. All 8 ones are dancing. Fantastic. You gotta keep moving. You gotta keep dancing. With love, pride, and honor, we're gonna spin around, round, and round. Whoopah! So happy. It's a bond, it's love, we're gonna spin around, round. It's a happy day, a joy, a love, and bonding. She's ready now for a beautiful challenge. Up for it's a flexible body. Freeze. Bring the power of bonding. One flipper. You know, friends, good times has to come to an end. Nothing stays forever. To shine. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody get your cameras ready. The trainer will come down now to give flying kisses to everybody. South America. Wow. This is so beautiful. She is adorable. Bring them away the hands. Also invite our friends If someone need to collect your change from the lucky draw rings, come down right now. Bring it on. One more time. Check this out. One of the favorite moves of the dolphins. I love it. Also good wishes, good vibes. But Luna is saying something. Did you hear that? Lady Olga, I have a question. Can we ask Luna if she likes the best friend Gabriel's painting? Halwa or no? Bring it up all the way. Luna, you like it? No. Okay, come up and show everyone what you can do better than your living the group are the dolphins. The group of the dolphin is called a pod. The pod can be 5 dolphins, can also reach 500 dolphins together. Having a leader, the leader is called the alpha. The dolphins here also have an alpha. He will join us in the second part of the show. Now we are still in the first part. Come on, where's the clapping? We got a beautiful hug here. Thank you so much. Friends, who wants to take this fantastic painting home? Show me your hands up in the air. Wow, hands down. Now we're going to hold this painting at the art gallery. Everybody looks so beautiful here. Let me ask him, who is she? Ask him, friend, come and tell me, who is she? Where is she sitting? Which color? Take it, yes. Now, Eva, you are so amazing. He will come again. I want you to give your cheek up with the flower closer. Look at the photographer, you take a picture. After show, collect a picture. Closer. Ready, Ivan? Give your cheek. Look at the camera. Smile. And... Bravo!